Hello and welcome to AzureWala YouTube channel. We are in part 41 of Microsoft Certified Associate series. So far we have covered 72 questions in previous videos. Let's go ahead and see question number 73. You have an Azure subscription named subscription 1 that contains a virtual network named vnet1. You add the users in the following table. So this is the table. We have user 1 having owner role, user 2 having security admin role, and user 3 having network contributor role. And we need to answer that which user can add the subnet to vnet1, which user can assign a user to reader role to vnet1. Let's quickly go to Azure portal and know about this role. Now we are in our Azure portal. We'll go to subscription. Under the subscription, we go to our subscription. We'll go to access control, and under the access control we'll go to roles, and we'll filter. First role we need to check is owner, and owner details are visible here. We can see owner is having full access to all the resources. We can still go to right hand side and view the further details. It grants the full access to manage all the resources, including the ability to assign role in Azure RBAC. So anyways, it is full access or full permissions, whatever possible. Let's see the next role, which is security admin. Security admin. We'll scroll to left. Yeah, security admin, there is not much details are written here. Even we view the details, it's not much detail is written here. Security admin can view and update the permissions for security center, and also has permission to view the Microsoft Defender for cloud and update it. Also can update the security policies, dismiss the alerts and recommendations. So this is what the security admin roles is about, but it cannot make any change on the network or network related configuration. Next role we need to know about network contributor. Network contributor. This role, and we'll go to the view. So network contributor can allow us to manage the networks, but the role permission does not allow to access the network. Therefore, network contributor can make any changes, any update on the network configuration, but cannot access the network itself. Let's go back to question to answer it. First statement is add a subnet to vnet1. That means we are going to change the network configuration. Therefore, we can see the owner has full rights. User 1 can make any change. Therefore, user 1 will be able to make this change as well. Definitely user 2 is security admin, cannot make any change on the network, so it will not be included in this case. And user 3 is a network contributor, specifically can make the change but cannot access the network. Therefore user 1 and user 3 is the answer for this statement. Next one is assign a user the reader role to vnet1. Means this is one of the requirement where we need to assign someone else the role for. That is that can be done by either owner or user access administrator. So in this case we have user 1 who is having the owner right, so user 1 only be able to assign the role to another user. Therefore, user 1 only is the answer. Question 74. You have the Azure resources shown in following exhibit. Means we do have one tenant root group, one management group, one subscription, one resource group, and one virtual machine. Means the resource. You plan to track resource usage and prevent the deletion of resources. To which resources can you apply logs and tags? So logs are being used to prevent the resource being deleted, and tags are being to track the resource uses. To answer, select the appropriate option in the answer area. So let's scroll down. This is our answer area. So we'll look into that, where we can implement the log, where we can implement the tags. So let's check on the Azure portal. We are in Azure portal and we'll see in the top level management group, means the root management group or tenant root group. If we go here, we cannot see anything related to tag. So if I search for tag, I don't find it. I search for log, I don't find it. That means that it is not available in management groups or the root management group. Let's check in management group 1 as well. There is, if there is any log or if there is any tag. So there is no tag, there is no log on root management group or management group in this case. Let's check on the subscription. So subscription, we can see here tag is written, means we can implement the tags on the subscription definitely. And log, also we can implement the log which will prevent subscription being deleted. Therefore we can put here. And let's check on the resource group. Definitely it's there, but still we'll check for new students. So we do have tags here, we can implement the tags in that, and we have the logs to prevent resource group being deleted. Again, let's see in any of the resource. So in resource group 2, we do have one resource called VNet2 or virtual network. So it is also having tag and log, I think, yeah, log also there. So this is also can be prevented from accidentally being deleted. From the Azure portal, we understood that the logs and tags can be applied on subscription, resource group, and resource. Therefore, root management group and management group cannot have any log or tag applied on that. So this is the hierarchy where we have top management group, then management group, under them subscriptions are coming, and under them there are resource groups, and under them there is resources. In our case, in question, it was mentioned that virtual machine, that will be a resource in that case. So we have to keep in mind that subscription, resource group, and resources may have tags and logs. Back to question. So in answer, we can select this one where we do have subscription, resource group, and virtual machine, which is a resource. We can apply the logs on these three items here. Similarly, tag also can be applied on the subscription, resource group, and virtual machines. I think it is very clear, because there is another option. We do have management group, tenant group, which we cannot apply, and here we do have less items, subscription and resource group only, and there is no resource. So therefore these two options are correct in this question. I hope this video was informative for you, and please do like, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell notification icon. See you in next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.